Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been testing iOS 27 beta 1 or thinking about installing it on your iPhone, then today's video is for you. After using iOS 27 beta 1 for 7 days, many users are sharing their experiences, especially when it comes to battery life. And this video we will look at the battery performance after 1 week and discuss what real users are saying about the update. When Apple releases a beta version of iOS, battery life is usually one of the biggest concerns. During the first few days after installing iOS 27 beta 1, many users reported faster battery drain than expected. This is common because the system continues indexing files, optimizing apps, and performing background tasks after a major update. However, after 7 days of use, feedback has become more positive. Many users have noticed that battery performance has improved compared to the first day. For some iPhone models, battery life is now close to what they experienced on the previous version of iOS. Users who primarily browse the web, use social media, watch videos, and send messages generally reported acceptable battery performance. That said, not everyone is having the same experience. Some users, especially those with older iPhone models, continue to experience battery drain, device warming, and increased background activity. Beta software is still under development, so occasional battery issues are expected. To improve battery life on iOS 27 Beta 1, users recommend disabling unnecessary background app refresh, reducing screen brightness, keeping apps updated, and restarting the device after installation. These simple steps can often help improve overall performance. Overall, the 7-day battery test suggests that iOS 27 Beta 1 is becoming more stable, but battery life may still vary depending on your device and usage habits. If battery performance is your top priority, waiting for a later beta or the public release may be the safest choice. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.